Hey everybody, welcome back to Hot Rods and Harvesters. If you tuned in last week, you saw we fuel injected the 57 Chevy. We're just wrapping it up now. Let's go see how John's doing on Project Cummins Killer. Hey John, how we doing? Looks like he's doing just fine. Let's see what Eric's up to. On this side of the shop, Eric's working on a 1970 Scout 800A. Let's see how he's doing on the fuel-injected 345 swap.
It was a real bear getting it in there, but I think we got it all right.
Here's V-Dub Chuck with our shop tip of the day.
Remember, kids, when working on a lifted vehicle, make sure that you have a sturdy platform to stand on, such as Eric over here.
Everybody, I'm working on the 1310D series here. Now we did a drivetrain swap. We took out the gas engine and we put in a turbo diesel. It hasn't started since we disassembled the engine and put it back together with all the gaskets and head studs. Now first things first, just like in your house, you want to make sure you have as many cords as you can fit in one outlet, and always make sure that there's no clutter in your work area. Now we're going to fire it up for the first time. Cut it. For the sake of time, we already bled the injectors and ran a jumper wire to the injection pump. Here we go. Listen to that baby purr. V-Dub Chuck with our final shop tip of the day.
Remember, kids, it's always important to wear the right attire when working on a vehicle. Like I have my International Harvester clock.
I always make sure to have an IH shirt on. This one happens to be courtesy of Mike Moore.
I prefer to wear my man on the tractor on my hat.
John's the exception. At first, it may seem that he doesn't have any harvester gear. However, a closer look shows differently. He never takes his off, along with his chainmail banana hammock. In everybody. Tune in again next week when we wrap up the Scout 800A fuel-injected 345 swap. Hey, Eric, throw me that screwdriver. Harvester boy!